in Monson for another 2 hours. Just taking a Nero, so I'm only doing 6 miles today. Walking back to the hostel. But it's a little town. I mean, the main road's over that way. So there's an ice cream place. There was actually there was a gas station here, and they had some pretty good burgers. I got a burger and fries and a slice of pizza. That was good. Good and greasy. But yeah, getting a shuttle out at 12, and then hopefully only have a 6-mile walk. But I might have I believe either 1 or 2 crossings, and one of them is knee deep on a good day. So it's probably gonna be like right here to me. So I'll see how that goes. But shoes gonna be soaked unless it's nice and flat. Then I might switch to socks and sandals so I can keep my shoes dry, because tomorrow I have a big crossing. That'll probably be waist deep. So a little nervous for that, but see how it goes. So yeah. Day 4. I'm only going about 6 miles today because I'm going to stealth camp at a road crossing because there are 2 rivers coming up that are pretty much impassable, dangerous to pass. So I'm gonna camp at right by a road, and then in the morning take the road 10 miles up to another campsite, and that road will skip both rivers. So it's the plan for today. I'm about, say, a mile in. It's very rocky, very rooty. That's how the trails are looking. I'm going that way. This isn't the best part. The bad part, though, I've already passed it, but there was a bunch of mud, probably more coming up. Mud, roots, and rocks twisted my foot in many ways, so it's kind of scary, but we're moving. So bye. So hiked a hill, came up across a nice view. So really nice little pond over there. But yeah, just little mountain ranges and stuff. So cool. Took a little break, filtering some water out of the creek right here. Nice and cold. So good place for a break. It's very nice, not too many bugs. And I think I'm about 3 miles from where I'm going to camp for the night. Again, it's a short day because I have a good 10-12 miles on the road tomorrow. So I don't want to do a 20-mile today, so I'm taking a little break a little earlier at a stealth spot. So yeah. So I was sitting here filtering my water out, and this girl, a northbounder from Georgia, walked by and said, "You look fresh. You must be a southbounder." I was like, "What?" So yeah, I guess they can tell. So that's funny. But yep, just got done filtering water. I got 2.5 more to go. Gone about 4 miles. So over halfway there. Really easy day. So getting there soon probably. So yeah. Woo! There's so much mud. Look at that, it all cleared up right there. But look at this. It's just all mud. So I'm having to walk on the side of the trail kind of, because look at that. And it looks harder than it is. You step in it and you won't go down, but you'll definitely slip. About 4 miles back, I stepped down and full on wiped out. I mean, luckily my back hit where it was dry, but I mean, my shoes are all dirty, which that's gonna happen. I expected it. Ooh, I almost broke my God. Hello. Yeah, so muddy. Oh my God, it dried up. That's nice. But yeah, the past 2 miles have been just mud everywhere, and it's probably because of the rain. Before I came here, it rained for like 18 days straight. So yeah, fun. Here comes the mud. Oh, that's not that bad now. Ugh. Nice when you take a bath, and then immediately have to walk back. So much mud. Ugh. You can't. Oh! Just got my pants wet. Okay, I'll move this away because I gotta focus on it. Like, be soaked in mud after taking a clean. It is day 6, I think. And what's cool is that I found my selfie stick. And it was at the bottom of my bag where I'd never looked because it's under my sleeping bag. And I thought that was where everything, like, I thought that nothing would be down there. And I thought I checked, but I guess not. So now I have my selfie stick. Today's a 6-mile day, not too bad. Not as hard as yesterday. Yesterday was also 6 miles, but I was climbing a mountain yesterday. So, going to town, staying at a hostel, and then figuring some things out from there. So, yeah, that's today. Frog. Yeah. For a whole day one time, this is the entire trail. But luckily, I think this on the today is just in little segments. So I get like a break, and then the annoying, and then another break. So it's really nice. It's like, it makes you move a lot slower. That's for sure. Oh, this one's a long one. So, that's the trail for me today. I've got a little stream crossing, so I thought I might just pull out the camera in case I fall in, which luckily I think I can get over with dry feet. So, woo! I'm gonna get myself wet just by recording. Yeah, and coming down the slope to get to the river. Oh man! I just soaked my foot. I should have just put on my sandals, but I didn't think I'd need them. Oh! Can you see it? No, you can't. My foot's all wet. Here. You can't see that wet rock, right there. Oh, wait, no, right there. That tipped over when I stepped on it. So then my right foot is all soaked with water. I mean, don't get me wrong, the water's nice, but after a while, that's gonna get really annoying to have a wet foot. So, yeah, I think that's the first of, I want to say 2 crossings. I hope there's only 2. Because I don't really like doing them. Because I get my feet wet. A lot more than everyone else. Like on the first stream crossing, someone I was with got over just fine. Hopped rock to rock, because some of them you can rock hop them. And then I go, and the first rock I stand on, I slip and fall. And my whole bottom half gets absolutely soaked. Wow, this scenery really changed up. But yeah, and then the second stream crossing, he got over fairly dry. And yet again, I chose the wrong path and soaked my entire foot. But it was fine because that day we had like 3 places on the trail where, because of a lot of rain that Maine's gotten, it was like, I don't know, shin deep for a little bit. So you had to walk shin deep on the trail. And it was soaking water. And it was not moving, so it wasn't like nice stream, cold water where it's kind of cold. It was just kind of maybe 70 or 80 degrees, which does not feel quite as nice to walk in. And there was a bunch of mud. So it looks like Maine got like a category 5 with the amount of rain that has hit this place. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna put the camera away now. Keep on going. So yeah, oh, bug in the eye. Bug in the eye.